All right, you've had a chance to do some of the independent practice. This is part one. Let's look. It's solving each equation. We want to figure out what C is in this first one. I isolate it. There's C. So I want to have that just alone. So I want to get rid of everything that's next to it, that minus 1. The way I get rid of minus 1 is I add 1 to it. Plus 1. If I do it to that side, I got to do it to the other side to be fair and equal. So C comes down. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0, equals 8 plus 1 is 9. So C equals 9. Now, C minus 1 equals 8. I'm going to plug it in. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Correct. Okay, number 2. I want to get T all by itself. So I got to rid of this minus 7. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 7. Add 7 to each side. T equals 9. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Yay, I got it. Okay, number 3. 1 equals G minus 3. I want to get G all by itself, so I got to get rid of this minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to that side and to that side. So 3 plus 1 is 4 equals G. Put 4 in there. 4 minus 3 equals 1. It works. Okay. Ooh, some decimals. Yay. Alright, A. I want to get that all by itself. So I'm going to take this negative 2.1 and I'm going to add 2.1 because that will get rid of it. And then I'm going to add 2.1 on this other side. Let's see what we get. A equals, line my decimals up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7.9. So 7.9 minus 2.1 equals 5.8. It worked. Yay. All right, let's see. I got A here. I want to get it alone. So I got to get rid of this minus 1.1. The way I get rid of it is by adding 1.1. And then I got to add 1.1 on that side too. So A equals, those cancel. Now, I need to add with my decimals all lined up. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring my decimal down. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3.4 is the answer I get. Let's check it. 3.4 minus 1.1 equals 2.3, which is what I want. Yay. All right, number 6. I want to get this E all by itself. So let's get rid of that 3.2. The way I'm going to get rid of a negative 3.2 is I'm going to add 3.2 to each side. 3.2 plus 3.2. Okay. So if I add these two up, my decimals line up. That's 8, 7. 7.8 equals E, and those cancel each other. So then I put 7.8 minus 3.2. And when I do that, I get 4.6. So it works. Yay. E is 7.8. These are fun. I can always get my variable all alone, and so then I know what it is, and then I check it. Okay, let's move to the more difficult ones. The word problems. I have, let's see, 3 of them here. Pete is 15 years old. This is 6 years younger than his sister Victoria. Write and solve a subtraction equation to find Victoria's age. Okay, so let's see. Pete is 15 years older, and this is 6 years older. This is 6 years younger than his sister Victoria. So Victoria is going to be older. And I want to write a subtraction. So if I take Victoria's age minus the 6 years, I will get Pete's age. So let's see. I actually know Pete's age. Pete is 15. So it's V minus 6 equals 15. Now I want to get V all by itself. There's V. I want to get rid of this minus 6, so I add 6 to this side and add 6 to this side. And then V equals 21. Victoria is 21 years old, which is 6 years 6 years younger than Victoria is Pete. Okay, 8. A CD costs $14.95. This is $7.55 less than the cost of a DVD. So if I take a DVD minus $7.55, I will get the cost of a CD. And we know the cost of a CD, it is $14.95. So if I do DVD, and you know what, let's just call that D. We'll make that variable D. Variable D minus $7.55 equals $14.95. Now, I want to get D all by himself, so D's there. Add $7.55 to this side and $7.55 to this side. Those cancel each other, so D equals, let's see, there's 1 there, 9, 10, 15. My decimal point, 4, 5, 6, 7, bring down my 1, 1750. Oopsie. So this is a 7. I did that wrong. It's 1750, just didn't seem right. So now let me re-add those. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Add a 1 there, put my 2 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2250, that sounds better. Alright, so the cost of a DVD is $22.50, and $7.55 less than that would be the cost of a CD, which is $14.95. Alright, let's go on to this next problem. Number 9. I'm going to do this in blue. Oopsie. It says if B minus 10 equals 5, what is the value of B plus 6? So let's find out what B is in this one, and then we'll put it to that one. So B minus 10 equals 5. I want to get this B all alone. So I have minus 10, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. Those two cancel, so B equals 15. So in this expression right here, B equals 15. In this one, B plus 6, if B is 15 plus 6, it's going to equal 21. All right, that is part 1 of the independent practice. If you have any questions, let me know.